All right, here we have a 1997 Audi. We have a temperature sensor issue when you start it up. The temperature gauge doesn't want to move. It stays way down on the low side. We're not sure if the fans are kicking on, but we know the fans for the radiator are kicking on when we turn the air conditioner on. We can see that running, but we're not sure what's going on. And we did find some broken wires. The sensor for this is actually over here. I think you can probably see it right there. Actually, you can see it pretty good. That little brown thing, that's the sensor we got to take out. And of course, we got to take a few things off. We're going to use an extension and hopefully get it out. See if that fixes our issue. But like I said, the fans work when you turn the air conditioner on, and someone's got a wire here, try to get it home. But we'll see if we can put that sensor in there and see if it makes a difference and all that. A lot of corrosion in there. We cleaned that out, but still no dice. Now they do make two types of sensors. Here's one we had earlier. We thought this was the one we wanted, but the one we need actually has threads on it, so you have to be careful when you're ordering these parts. You got to make sure you get the right one, and you can see the difference here. And the thing is, the plug is also different, so just verify that you have the right one. And here is the part number for this 97 Audi. So 1.8, what is this?
2.8.
2.8. So there you go, just so you know. It's down in there. We'll have to do a quick swap here. Hopefully we won't lose too much fluid.
We're losing it.
Alright, well, you didn't lose that much. They look identical too, don't they? Yeah. How much was your socket? It's a 30 millimeter?
29.
29 millimeter. Look at that, we already got our threaded in there already. So.
Not exactly.
But we're working on it. We'll get her. Alright.
All those are leaking. I need to clamp those or zip tie those or something, don't I?
Yeah. Here's the old sensor. You can see what's left of it.
Part of my problem right there.
A lot of corrosion in there, so the new one's pretty much in. And just like that, the new one's in. See that shiny, pretty brass thing? $23. Yay! Alright, you want to see a nice, clean Audi? Look at this thing. 1997. They don't make them like this anymore. Look at that stack. All red instrument lights at night. Even got a sunroof. Got a hold-on handle there, and you even got one on the driver's side. Hell, my truck doesn't even have one on the driver's side. Seats are in great shape. Full back seat. Lights, handles everywhere. So hopefully this temperature sensor will help that gauge come up. It just stays cold all the time, so hopefully that'll take care of it. The other one was corroded and the wires were broke. Beautiful gauges across the dash there. Not even a crack in the dash. So power windows, power everything, except even the seats are power, which is pretty nice. Heated power seats, wow. So even got a little airbag up here. Airbag over there for 97, that was high tech. So it's probably about the year they mandated it. Look at the back here real quick, the back seat. Look how nice this is. Yeah, look at that. Not sure what that is there. Looks like put stuff in. Got a little thing back here. Cigarette lighter. A lot of people restoring these old vehicles nowadays are starting to become worth some money. Even got a mega trunk. Look at this. You can haul groceries. Not today anymore. One bag of Walmart groceries is like $100. But back in the day, $100 you could fill this trunk up. A lot of groceries and stuff. So, very cool car. Where did it come from? Facebook Marketplace. Alright, we're going to start this up. Let's hear how she sounds. Oh yeah. How many miles on it? 145,000 miles. Listen how good she sounds. Yeah, 2.8 little V6 motor. And it looks like our sensor's good. We're not leaking. Alright, so far we'll let it warm up here and see if our gauge now finally works. Alright, she's warmed up about 10 minutes, no leaks, and guess what? We fixed it. We do have a working gauge now, and it's not flashing anymore. Our temperature gauge is working just fine. Look at that, coming up. And what was flashing? The
temperature right here. This temperature symbol was flashing.
Yeah, and this light right here would flash. It's not flashing no more. So
and beep.
And beep. We go beep, beep. So we fixed it. Yay! All right, on to something else. Alright guys, there you go. If you like any of my videos, give it a thumbs up and say hi. Let me know where you're watching from, and until my next video, I'll see you later.